Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be looking at my June Tamed Wild box. Comes in a mailer. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely love the box. It's so pretty. Very, very pretty. It's going to be a quick video because I'm getting ready to take my baby to see Toy Story. Yay! Solar Magic. Woo woo. Check this out. Honey sticks. I can smell something delicious. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad that I opened you today because I was going to hold off. It's a little plant. Hello, you're so cute. Cool. I'm guessing this is the plant's house. So I usually leave everything in the box until my filming, but I can't do that to a plant. Plants need air. You are so cute. You're a little big for your house. Oops, sorry, honey. A little big for his house, but very, very cute. I've gotten one of these from the same box before, and it's also actually didn't give me a house for it last time. I put it in my own house, but they did send me one. I want to say last August. Ooh. Hello, Palo Santo. And a sun bag. I love the bags from here. I collect them. I can smell the Palo Santo. Big piece, yes. Some kind of beautiful smudge. Okay. Lucky. New Moon herbal tea. Got a stone in a burlap bag is a thing that they do, and I like it very much. Let's see here. I'm not even sure what this is. It's black and greenish yellow. You are so cute, babe. We've got like a sachet here, maybe for the tea. Ooh. Oh. We've got a beautiful like altar mat. And it's got the astrology signs. So for me, mine is like this, kind of. So mine starts, it starts with your ascendant, your rising sign, and mine is just right at the end of Pisces. And then it goes through this, and I've got a couple empty houses. We can talk about that more in the future, but pretty. Like that a lot. Oh, that's it. Okay, let's see what's up. Okay, so we will craft a sun symbol in the form of a hanging terrarium. One of our favorite methods to harness the power of sunlight. And basically it tells you about the ritual. But what I'm really looking for is, okay, smoke cleansing kit. So I'm assuming that is so it's a blue sage bundle and the Palo Santo in the bag. Which is kind of cool because I don't usually get blue sage. Serpentine is the stone. Okay. The zodiac altar cloth, the terrarium, and an air plant. This is kind of a big one. This is a bigger one than I got last year. The one that I have last year is still alive, but it's not, air plants, I want to water them too much, I guess. New Moon tea in 3 tea bags, and honey sticks. So this is a sweet little box. I definitely like very much getting plants. This is the 3rd plant I've gotten from them. I've gotten a succulent, but in the past, and this is my 2nd air plant, which I like. I do like live plants. It was a nice box. I think I liked the last couple months a little bit better, but this one has the added benefit of I actually really love getting plants, and I think that basically this is one of the only boxes. Actually, I got a Rose of Jericho in this box. I got a Rose of Jericho from Weevolve, and I got a Rose of Jericho from Sugar Muses. So those are plants because they definitely live at my house. So pretty cool. definitely something different, something definitely Tamed Wild. I get the feeling, their vibe from this box. This is their Tamed Wild box, $29 a month. This is the June version. Oh, another thing, please guys, check out the 500 subscriber giveaway. The people are listed on the top. I keep trying to put messages, nobody's emailing me. I've gotten one response. So if you are Donna Vanderpool, if you are Jen Oli, if you are Anti-Aging Love, I think is what it is, and Samantha Myers, I think, check the 500 subscriber giveaway. Everybody's name is listed and what box you got, and please contact me. Instagram, Facebook, or on YouTube. Contact me so that I can get it out to you. Please and thank you. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.